Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is September 16th, 2022. This is my 58th episode for C++17 2023 CUDA SQL OpenGL OpenCL EBB. This is also 4th episode for OpenGL CUDA. Learning 3D graphics is by no means easy or simple. However, if you can use the right resources and materials, you can learn it. The right resources and materials are OpenGL Programming Guide. This link. With this book, OpenGL Programming Guide, the official guide to learning OpenGL version 4.5 with SPIR-V, you can completely learn OpenGL programming. I will also recommend OpenGL Superbible comprehensive tutorial and reference. This book. OpenGL Superbible comprehensive tutorial and reference. This book is also very useful. With this book you can learn OpenGL and 3D graphics. If you want to follow my current and future sessions, I assume you have watched my previous videos listed here. I will post this script in the description section below this video. For example, episode 57. In episode 57, we set up OpenGL tools. I assume you have watched all the videos from this playlist, especially those videos whose title starts with setup. If you scroll down from episode 55, setup. If you failed to build OpenGL helper utilities, then show more. You can click download OpenGL Prebuilt GL tools by clicking this link. You can download all gltools.zip. By watching this video, you can set up the environment variables. I will cancel it. Please don't forget, I assume you have watched videos whose title starts with setup. Now, OpenGL Programming Guide, Redbook, Home. You can double-click this link. Then, OpenGL Programming Guide 9th edition homepage opens. From this, the source code for the 9th edition is now hosted on GitHub. Please click GitHub. Then download zip. Just so you know, if I go back, there is GitHub repository. Don't use these files. This file does not include media file. You have to use this zip file. Unzip it. In this case, bin media, it contains all the required media files, such as shaders and sponsor. So, example master contains all the required resources or media files. In this case, this book does not include sponsor media. So if you have enough space on your hard disk drive, I would recommend this package 000 OpenGL Programming Guide 9th. Copy, paste it in your working directory. Double-click it. Copy the folder path. Open up Microsoft Compiler. cd paste dir. You should be able to find cmakes_list.txt. Here, cmakes_list.txt. Hit enter. If successful, sln, hit enter. Then you should see vermilion9.solution sln. If you stumble upon some problems while creating this solution file, then please leave your question in the comment section. We will copy this folder path. Now start Visual Studio. I would highly recommend you to make some settings. Go to Tools, Options. From Project Solution, you can change your solution folder. Also, Build and Run. I would highly recommend you to select Normal. Also, Normal. Click OK. Now File, Open, Project Solution, paste the folder path. Here we can find Vermilion9 solution. Open this solution. By default, platform x64 debug is selected. Right-click the solution, rebuild solution. You should be able to build 60 succeeded, 0 failed. We can safely ignore such warnings. Now I will select any project, for example, triangle. Set as startup project. Ctrl F5. You should see this result. Now close it. We will try Teapot. Set as startup project. This is Teapot. Ctrl F5. We don't see anything. Now close it. It's because the path to media is not open. We are in this folder again. In the bin folder, you can find exe files. For example, teapot.d. Double-click it. You should see this teapot successfully. You can try more. For example, 10 draw xfd. You should see such things on your machine. Now we will change it to release. Right-click the solution. I would recommend you clean solution. Then rebuild solution. You should see 60 succeeded. Once again, in this folder, you can find instancing. This is release build. Now close it. Instancing D. This is debug build. You can try other examples or texture mapping or light models or for. In my next episode, we will create our first OpenGL program.